Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Signature, an easy guide. This innovative tool simplifies your digital signing process, making it incredibly efficient and secure for all your documents. We will walk through everything, from the initial setup to creating your very first signature and then seamlessly applying it. Get ready to transform how you handle digital paperwork, saving you valuable time and ensuring authenticity. Connecting your DaVinci Signature device is remarkably straightforward, typically taking under 30 seconds. First, confirm that your device holds sufficient charge for uninterrupted use. Next, simply plug the included USB-C cable into both your DaVinci Signature and your computer. The specialized companion software should then instantly recognize the device, readying it for the next steps. This quick connection sets the foundation for your secure digital signing. Now, let's create your unique digital signature within the application. Navigate to the Create New Signature option, which you will find clearly marked on the main dashboard. Use the dedicated signature pad to carefully draw your preferred signature, aiming for maximum accuracy and style. Take a moment to thoroughly review the digital rendition on screen, ensuring it precisely matches your physical signature. Once satisfied, save it securely. Applying your newly created signature to documents is a seamless process. Simply import the document you need to sign directly into the DaVinci Signature software. From your saved signature library, effortlessly drag and drop your chosen signature onto the precise spot on your document where it needs to appear. Once positioned correctly, you can securely export the finalized document, typically as a standard PDF file, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.